It's Thursday, the 26th of January, and we are on the Australian dollar, US dollar. So let's have a look at this market for the trading day today. Okay, so the first thing is we have been reacting off of these key resistance levels up above that we've been going over in the Sunday analysis video. Yesterday we came down into one of the key levels of support we were looking at, and we have subsequently bounced. Now, as long as the market is within this level, I'm happy just to trade it as though it is in a short-term range. On the 4-hour time frame, it's important to note that markets, they're not always making very strong moves. They're not always just rallying, or they're not always just selling off. Quite often, you will see a market just chopping sideways for an extended period of time, bouncing between two strong price levels. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is the market bounced up along a sloping support line, and it has subsequently broken through. Now, for me today, I just want to watch up at the 7600 levels. This would potentially be a good area to look for sells. And then if the market begins to come back down once again, the key levels down here at 7510 and then the 7470 levels for me are both offering up good potential buy positions. So we look at these zones quickly. We have the zone up here with the sloping resistance. We get down to the 7510 level. I want to watch this whole area for potential buys, and then potentially also the zones below, depending on how price reacts. But the key ones I am watching is this one right here, and then this one up above. So what we'll do is we'll come back around about 4:30. We will have a look at what this market did, go over what it's suggesting for the market moving forward, and zone traders, I will take you through any of the potential setups. Okay, we're just past 4 o'clock, so let's have a look at the Australian dollar from today. We can see we've had a nice strong down day in this market. Still within these key levels here and the key levels down here. As mentioned, whilst within these levels, I'm happy to look for the buys and the sells. It's exactly what I've been doing for the past week, just over a week. And you can see we've had lots of reactions up, down, rejecting off of the highs, bounced down, shot back up, and we are now rejecting once again. When you get into positions like this in a market, a lot of people just look for trends. They just want to see a market that's about to move up, and that's the only time they trade. For me, I actually prefer a market that is ranging. Because when it's ranging, you're getting opportunities to sell, you're getting opportunities to buy, and very often you'll see the market bounce between these areas numerous times, giving you lots and lots of entries. So on the 5-minute time frame today, we came down very, very nicely. Market comes down, breaks out of the zone, pushes back up. I got into a sell position just here at 9:35. It will 9:30, sorry. That will be the live trade posted as a separate video. I ended up exiting the trade. Let me get this right. Down at these levels right here. Basically, the market made the high, the low, the lower high, lower low, signaling the downtrend. We then pushed back up to retest levels, came back down. However, when we started seeing support at the previous low rather than a straight break, there was the potential for this to turn into a double bottom. When I started to see support once again, I just came out of the trade. So to quickly go back onto the daily time frame now. On the Australian dollar, US dollar, still these key levels down here are where I want to watch moving forward now, especially now that we're coming down. They will give us potentially, down toward the lows with all the spikes and up toward the high, good buying positions. Good ways to get into the market to take buy positions out of the Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay guys, so as always, I hope that was helpful. I'm James R, and thank you.